Operation of the large autoclave. Before use of the autoclave, first check the drip tray at the front of the autoclave at ground level. Sign in on the sheet attached. Turn the power switch to on. Tap the screen to enter the operations screen. Tap release to allow the door to open. Pull down the door to the bottom of the chamber. Check the seal is flush and the interior is clear. Make sure the load probe is inside the bottle. All items must be loaded in the trays provided. Check the bottom plate is in the bottom of the tray for steam circulation. Loosen caps on all bottles and load the trays. Close the chamber. Press Start to access the cycle screen. Select cycle using the up and down arrows. Press the Enter arrow. Tap Start to begin cycle. At the end of the cycle, the autoclave will show pass or fail. Double check the pressure gauge. Tap Next for door control. Tap Release to allow door to open. Be aware there may be a rush of steam escaping from a newly opened autoclave. Remove materials carefully using heat-resistant gloves. Tighten loose bottle lids before you lift the items out. Check the chamber interior for any spillages. Where autoclave tape has been used, black lines on the tape will indicate that the sterilisation temperature was achieved in the autoclave. Turn the autoclave off.